Salut! Ready to learn your first French greetings? I'll walk you through 10 basic phrases every beginner needs. I'll say each one in French, then tell you what it means in English. Let's go. Number 1. Bonjour. Bonjour means hello or good morning. You can use it anytime during the day when you meet someone. Number 2. Salut. Salut is a casual hi. Use it with friends, people your age, or kids. Number 3. Bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Use it when you meet someone in the evening after about 6 p.m. Number 4. Comment ça va? That means how are you? Number 5. Ça va bien or ça va mal? Ça va bien means I'm fine, and ça va mal means not so good. You can answer comment ça va with either one. Number 6. Merci. Merci means thank you. Super useful, right? Number 7. Merci beaucoup. This is thank you very much. Use it when you really want to show appreciation. Number 8. Je m'appelle. That means my name is. For example, je m'appelle Marie. Try saying your own name after je m'appelle. Number 9. Enchanté, or enchanté if you're a woman. This means nice to meet you. It's polite to say when you're introduced to someone new. And number 10, au revoir. That's goodbye. Use it when you're leaving. Let's do a quick recap. Bonjour. Salut. Bonsoir. Comment ça va? Ça va bien. Ça va mal. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Je m'appelle. Enchanté. Ciao. Au revoir. Here's a tip. Repeat after me and try using these greetings every day. The more you practice, the more natural it'll feel. You've got this. À bientôt.